Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a cute stationery product that I found here in Japan. Sometimes we do get some really cute designers from other parts of the world that will have stuff that's very popular here. And Emily Burningham has some really cute stuff that I've seen in many different places, whether it be a letter set like this or boxes and gift boxes and various different things, especially at stores like Tokyo-Han's and stuff where you find a lot of these kind of unique items. So really nice high class, high-end stationery goods. Now this one happened to be, actually I was lucky, is in the discount section, so it's only 200 yen, but normally it's 450 yen. You get 7 sheets of paper and 7 envelopes, but the envelopes are just gorgeous. Her designs are just so pretty. So I'll kind of show you guys. I think I had some origami paper once I shared with you guys from her series. Just so cute. I love this because there's this little fat bee on here that just is way too cute. So because you're dealing with a nice high quality letter set, this paper is really good. It's almost like a card. I wouldn't say it's like a letter paper. It's the same as, it's almost weight as an index card. So you get to have a nice little space for a little note there. Same patterns and colors for all 7 sheets. And then the envelope is this really cool kind of thickness of paper that is really nice and holds the ink of the pattern so well. I think really nice design work there. So and then makes it nice and easy for you to send it if you want to, because then there's a nice space for you to be able to write the address. I would only say I don't like when cream and white mix. I wish they'd left that as the cream of the background. That would have been cool, but I guess, you know, gotta keep it going. So cute set of paper though, for sure. So if you like designs and papers and things like that, then looking in the letters and stationery sections of stuff in Japan can be a great way to find some really fun and unique items. So and then you can use this paper for origami projects too, which is always cool. So keep that in mind, and I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.